Coming to the unboxing, you get a keyboard followed by micro USB to Type A cable and instruction manual. This Amazon wireless keyboard looking like the copy of the Logitech K840 which I was reviewed previously. I used this keyboard mainly focusing on three things. One, normal usage, number two, for gaming, and number three, for video editing. So I'm going to share my experience with this keyboard in all of these three aspects. So let's start the review. First, we talk about the looks and the design. This Amazon wireless keyboard is slim and sleek. The design is also good. Personally, I like the slim form factor of this one, but the quality of the plastic they use it to manufacture this keyboard is not good. Even this keyboard weight is a little higher. I give 6 out of 10 for design and looks. Next, talk about the connection. You can connect this keyboard to your laptop or mobile with Bluetooth only. The connection is also very simple. First, turn on the keyboard. After that, you observe light starts blinking and it automatically turn off within 5 seconds. Now press the function key plus alphabet C key to turn on the pairing mode. Open Bluetooth in your laptop or mobile and connect it. That's all. Even though this connection process looks and hears like very easy, if you try to connect without reading the instruction manual, then it's really difficult. I give 7 out of 10 for the connection process. Next, we talk about the charging and the battery life. The main thing we need to check when it comes to the wireless keyboards is the charging as well as the battery backup, how much it is actually getting. Right after the unboxing, I literally searched where the micro USB slot is there for this keyboard to charge because I can't find it because of the slim form factor. But finally, I got this. It's on the right side to the on or off button. Coming to the charging, in the instruction manual, it mentioned as to not exceed 5.5 volts and 0.3 amps, meaning that you won't cross the 1.65 watts power. I charged this wireless keyboard with the help of power bank all the time. Coming to the battery life, it's actually good and it's pretty decent. For me, it easily lasts for more than 2 days. If in case you are a heavy user of this keyboard, like during the normal typing means, you will get for more than 1 day. On the flip side, if you use this keyboard for very normal usage, like the light usage means, maybe you will get more than 2 days or 3 days of battery backup. Also, battery indicator is there on the keyboard, so no need to worry about the charging. I give 9 out of 10 for charging and battery backup. Next, we talk about the main thing, the typing experience in this keyboard in terms of normal usage, followed by gaming and video editing. And also some extra things also I will share. If you observe on the top, there is a cutout available where you use it as a holder for mobiles, tablets or even pens rack too. Coming to the typing experience, it's 50-50. During my typing, the buttons feels like same as the chiclet keyboard in laptops. And these buttons are very flat and produce smooth clicks every time. Sometimes some buttons I don't feel that I actually clicked it. So many accidental clicks will happen if your typing speed is too low or too fast. I used this one for video editing followed by gaming. For both of these cases, it's not recommendable. And one more thing, there is no backlight option is available for this keyboard. If in case you are working in darker or like no light environments means you can't use this until you are a pro in keyboard typing. Overall, for me, the typing experience is okay. Out of 100%, I only enjoyed 30% with this keyboard. I mean, about the typing experience I'm talking. Also, this keyboard comes with 1 year of warranty. And one more thing I forgot to say, there is a on or off button is also available on this keyboard. If in case you are not using this keyboard means you can turn it off also. Overall, I give 7.5 out of 10 for the typing experience. Finally, I'll share some points which are very important even though after watching this video, you are still planning to buy this Amazon wireless keyboard. Number one, this keyboard is not at all good for gaming. Even though you are like a normal gamer, like you play some basic games also, this keyboard is not recommendable. And the main problem with this keyboard is you won't feel the clicks. Instead of this, you can go for another keyboards. If you take the wired keyboard only, under 2000 rupees, you will get good mechanical keyboards. Number two, for video editing also, it is not recommendable. I use it a lot when it comes to video editing. So many accidental clicks I noticed it. So yeah, for video editing, it's not recommendable. Third thing, even though there is a wireless keyboard, when it comes to the battery, you need to charge to use this. Sometimes maybe you forgotten to charge on the time, it feels very irritated. So mind that you need to charge this keyboard to use this. Number four, there is no backlight option is available in this keyboard. Number five, the price. Right now, it's priced at 1759 rupees, which is higher on the other side. And if you compare it with like different wireless keyboards, you will get even mouse also in that keyboards. Currently, I'm using this Portronics wireless keyboard, which is very good. Like I'm using it for like more than 1 year now. And it comes with a nice mouse also like this. So you can buy this combo also. I provide the links in the description box of all these products. This is also one of the good. And when it comes to the buttons feeling also, like you observe, Now let's observe this. See, so much of difference is there. So the price is little higher for this keyboard. So finally, whether I recommend you to buy this keyboard for that price? Obviously, the answer is no. If in case you want the wireless keyboard only under 2000 rupees, there are better alternatives are available, which I given the links also in the description box. Feel free to check. That's the review of this Amazon Basics wireless keyboard. This is the first ever keyboard. I put so much for me, but when it comes to the performance, it's not up to the mark. I hope you found some good information and review of this keyboard. If yes, don't forget to like this video and share to your friends or family members whoever needed the wireless keyboard and searching especially this keyboard. Also, don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more quality and unbiased tech and gadget review videos. Here is my past video I uploaded. If in case you missed that, feel free to check out that. As usual, my name is Rajashekar. You're watching Tech Bunny. Keep supporting and keep smiling, and I will catch you in the next video. Take care.